Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, November 27th, 2024. We are looking at the ZND to Tether at Zondacrypto. This is a 30 minutes chart. Let me just switch to 1 hour time frame chart, and there you go. So the main point of the of this analysis is that the ZND just recently burned a few million of the tokens, 5,600,000 tokens, and we got this very nice rally here back up towards the level of 0.89. So let me just place this level on the chart. So what do we have here is, of course, the recent technical resistance, as you can see here on this level, 0.89. Just above it there is 0.94. There is one more thing here worth of mention, which is this technical resistance, 1.11, and of course the swing high at 1.36. Now, where are the supports? The basic support and the important support is 0.60, so this is quite interesting. Just below it there is 0.57, and just above it there is one more very important level, 0.61. So very tight technical support here. We can call it even a demand zone, to be honest. If we place some kind of a rectangle here, then we know that this rectangle can represent this this zone, right? So this is the demand zone, and this zone is located just in between those levels. Actually, we don't see any sort of the supply zone, except maybe this one here that might be apparently working as a demand zone. So maybe something like this is clarifying right now on the chart. So it started here with this movement here to the upside, and that's why it looks like this. So let me just move it here. There you go. So we got this supply zone on one hand, 0.89, 0.94, and demand zone at between the levels of 0.58, 0.61, and in between the market keeps moving up and down, up and down. If we apply, for example, RSI indicator, we can clearly see that the market is moving from the extremely oversold, let's say, to the extremely overbought conditions. So this is how it looks like these days on the chart. Let me just make it a little bit smaller. There you go. And our chart right now looks like this. This is our main point of the interest. So right now, some sort of the internal technical support might be tested. Now let me just take my magnet. 0.74 might be tested. So right now this is a clearly very interesting level as well, and we expect this market to hold at 0.61, and then again another movement to the upside should happen. So the general outlook looks very good for the market. This movement here to the upside was again capped at the level of 0.89. However, it looks like when the bears will hit the extremely oversold conditions, the reversal is very likely, and the market might be seen touching the 0.89, 0.90 level again. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.